This is Civics Chapter 1. What is democracy? Why democracy? Short notes. Democracy is a form of government in which the rulers are elected by the people. Name of no democracy countries: Army, Myanmar, Chile, Saudi Arabia, North Korea. Features of democracy. In a democracy, the final decision-making power must rest with those elected by the people. Second, a democracy must be based on a free and fair election where those currently in power have a fair chance of losing. Third, in a democracy, each adult citizen must have one vote and each vote must have one value. A democratic government ruler within limits set by constitutional law and citizens' right. Then Pakistan General Pervez Musharraf led a military coup in October 1999. Military rule. Chief Executive in August 2002, he issued a legal framework order. National Security Council NSC शॉर्ट फॉर्म में NSC कहा जाता है, उसका फुल फॉर्म है नेशनल सिक्योरिटी काउंसिल. Then free and fair election. China Parliament Quangno Remin Debio. National People Congress 3,000 members. Chinese Community Parties. The government is always formed by the Communist Party. Mexico 1930 2000 PRI Institutional Revolutionary Party full form है. Mexico play dirty tricks with government offices, polling booths, teachers' compassion. One person, one vote, one value. Universal Adult French 2015 Saudi Arabia, Estonia, Russian minority, less number, Fiji. Rule of law and respect for right, Zimbabwe, ZANU-PF Party. Robert Mugabe leader, unfair practice, changed the constitution, controlled television, radio. Then argument against democracy, leader keep changing. In a democracy, this lead to instability. Democracy is all about political competition and power play. There is no scope for morality. So, many people have to be consulted in a democracy that it lead to delay. Elected leaders do not know the best interest of the people. It lead to bad decision. Democracy lead to corruption, for it is based on electoral competition. Ordinary people do not know what is good for them. They should not decide anything. Merit of democracy. China famine 1958-1961. First, a democratic government is a better government because it is a more accountable form of government. Then second, democracy improves the equality of decision making. Then third, democracy provides a method to deal with difference and conflict fight. Then democracy enhances the dignity of citizen. Fifth, democracy better than another form of government because it allows us to correct its own mistake. Is representative democracy. This is Civics Chapter 1. What is democracy? Why democracy? नोट्स शॉर्ट नोट है, फुल नोट्स अगले वीडियो में मिलेगा. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग.